$300, $600, $250. This is one of the easiest and quickest ways to make money online with this brand new website that we never used before. All you have to do is copy and paste absolutely free text, no affiliate links, no CPA links, and without selling any kind of products. This website is paying people all over the world: India, Philippines, Bangladesh, Canada, the USA, UK, and all other countries. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so this is the actual website to which you will need to sign up. This is the website that will pay you, and they will not be paying you in points, coins, or gift cards, but they will give you real cash which you can then spend on whatever you want to. Now, in order to make money with this website, you will need to use some strategies which I will be showing you in this video, because if you just go straight to the website and you try to do it on your own, then it's going to take you a lot of time. It's going to require a lot of effort, a lot of skills, and a lot of experience, but I'm going to show you how you can get all of that done for absolutely free. I will explain to you step by step how to do it. Now, this website is called clearvoice.com, and according to SimilarWeb, this website is being visited by over hundreds of thousands of people every single month. And that means there's a lot of money to be made with this website, and I will explain to you exactly how and exactly what you will need to do with a website in order to make some decent amount of money. Now, clearvoice.com is a platform where entrepreneurs and business owners come to get written articles done for them, so they will pay everyday people, everyday freelancers like me and you, to write different articles for them. And I'm going to show you how you can get those articles done for absolutely free, not from those PLR websites or whatsoever, because that doesn't necessarily work anymore. But I'm going to show you a unique strategy to getting those articles on to get new and fresh articles every single time, so you can get paid hundreds of dollars, because for each article that you copy and paste from the resources which I'm about to give you, you can get paid hundreds of dollars. You can do it again and again for absolutely unlimited times, because as you saw, there are a lot of people visiting this website on a regular monthly basis, and you just need a couple of sales to get hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single day. So it's a really powerful strategy, so pay close attention to each and every step so you can learn exactly how to do this. So the first thing which you will need to do is to come over to clearvoice.com. Then hover your mouse right here where it says Talent Network, and you will be able to see that people are writing articles within all of these categories you have: advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and much more. So you have all the different categories and all the different niches which you can think of on this website. But what you will first need to do is you will need to click on Join the Talent Network right here so you can get started. And you can get started by entering your full name in these two boxes. So enter your first name, enter your last name, and click Get Started. Now you can either sign up with your Twitter account, Google account, or by signing up manually with your email. Once you sign up for a brand new, absolutely free account on clearvoice.com, this is how it's going to look like. This is your account here. You will be able to see your name, and this is your profile picture. You can of course change your profile picture and put your own. Then you can add a background image. You can add more of your social accounts. The more of them you add, the higher the chances of getting more money you will be able to make. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, I want to show you a few different things. You can first of all set your own rate. You decide what you want to get paid. So whether you want to get paid $100 per article, $200, or $300 per article, you can set your own rates and you will get paid quickly, which means you will not have to wait for weeks or months to get paid. Clearvoice.com freelancers are paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. Work with confidence and you'll get paid on time. so they won't be late with their payments or whatsoever. They're really reliable, and if we scroll a little bit down, you'll be able to see other people that are doing the same thing. So let me just show you an example. I will open up this person's CV so you can see what they are doing and how they are making money. So if I open up their profile, you will be able to see all of these different articles that this person wrote, and this person has made hundreds of dollars for every single one of those articles. You have anything from fashion, beauty, parenting, home and holidays. All of those categories on just their profile. All these simple articles are making money every single day. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do the same thing. So this is just proof that other people are also making money with this website. People from all over the world. So I want you to go back to your account. You can get started by setting up your account. You can start making money. Here on the right hand side, you will be able to see that currently, my account has not yet been completed. I need to complete it to 100 so I can actually start making money, and to do so, I would need to improve my CV. So I would need to click Add Content right here in the bottom right corner so I can start adding those articles. But how do I actually get those articles done? How can you actually get those articles done for absolutely free with no previous writing skills or whatsoever? Well, here's exactly how. Just follow each and every step. First of all, what you will need to do is to head over to google.com. That's step number 1 of getting those articles done for absolutely free. Now you want to think of what article you want to write, what category you want to be in. So that can be anything from health, relationships, business, finance, weight loss, fitness, fishing, gaming, whatever niche, whatever category you can find in clear voice. You can write an article about that category and relate it to that niche. So let's say, for example, I'm going to be writing an article about finance. What I can simply search on Google is different keywords relating to that specific topic. That can, for example, be finance tips. And then Google is going to give you all of those different recommendations. Now that's going to give me thousands of different articles that are available on Google. So you can go through all these different articles. You can find which one you think is best. And you will always have new and fresh articles to find on Google. Because as you can see, these are all the latest articles from this year alone, and it's always going to refresh like almost every single day. You will have new articles on all these different topics and all these different niches and categories, but you will not be able to just copy and straight paste that article from Google because you will obviously get a copyright claim, and that can be a huge issue. Rather than that, once again, just find an article that you think is a really good one, which you think is a good fit. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use the first one just as an example. You can obviously go even to the second or the third page of Google and find an article that you like. Once you find an article you like, I want you to copy at least one part of it. So you will copy part 1, part 2, part 3, and so on and so forth. Let me just copy the first part and use an external platform called spinbot.com. This is an absolutely free online tool which is going to rewrite those articles in your own words, and it's going to do it for you free of charge. There's no need to even sign up to it. You can just go over to spinbot.com, paste the article in this box, and I can now scroll a little bit down, fill out the CAPTCHA, click Go right here. Wait for a couple of seconds, and now the Spinbot tool will rewrite that for me in my own words. So I can use that article on other websites. It becomes my own unique article. And now that you have it rewritten for you, you will need to proceed to step number 3, which is to open up Google Docs. So go over to docs.google.com, create a new document which is going to be blank. Go back to Spinbot, copy the part that is rewritten by Spinbot, paste it into Google Docs, then proceed to change more parts of that specific article which you found in Google. So now it's going to go to tip number 1. I can copy this, go back to Spinbot, and pretty much repeat the same process until you have the entire article rewritten for you by spinbot.com, and use that rewritten text to paste it into Google Docs. So you want to rewrite the entire article and paste it into Google Docs. Once you're done, you have an entire article rewritten by Spinbot. Step number 4 is to click on File right here. Go to Download and download it as a PDF document. So you can now download this to your computer, an entirely rewritten article which you can use because it's unique. Then just go back to clearvoice.com, open up your profile once again, click on add content right here. So you can add your PDF file. Click on Upload File right here. Find that article on your computer. Double-click on it. Wait until it loads, and here it is. And here's an entire article, completely unique, because it was rewritten by Spinbot. Now you will select the category your article is in. Since my article is all about finance, I can search for that. I can search for finance, or business, or accounting. And I will select business finance and personal finance. Then fill out these other boxes and just hit Update. The more of these articles you add, the more money you will be able to make. And of course, make sure to name your article. Don't leave it as an untitled document because obviously, that's not how it works. You will need to give it an exact title. So the more of them you add, the more you will fill out your profile. And the more articles, the more money you will be able to make. That way, all the other entrepreneurs and business owners that search for those articles can see your CV. They can hire you and pay you hundreds of dollars for new articles. And all you have to do is once again repeat the process from this video. Go over to Google, do your research, find those articles, copy and paste them into Spinbot, get them rewritten, get them done for you, then paste them into Google Docs and download them as a PDF file. As simple as that. It's really simple, it's really easy, and it can definitely make you some decent amount of side income. So I hope you did get some value out of this video. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.